Welcome to the Robot Factory, my easy, super fun to make Kooky Craftables papercraft project. These mini bots are waiting for you to activate their personalities.
Factory override. Circular hole bypass initiated. Witness the shortcut.
Here, mini-bots are designed, not just as helpers, but to remind their makers of the power they carry inside. Every choice you make before gluing writes code into their circuits. The factory doesn't assign personalities, you do. As you build, you choose what each bot becomes. Will yours be brave, silly, thoughtful? You decide. Tilt the eyes in wonder, angle the brows for bravery. Every choice shapes their character, and in shaping them, you remember your own. Some bots inspire courage when challenges feel big. Others bring laughter when the day feels heavy. A few seem a little nervous about their first assignment, and one looks like they just woke up from a long nap. This project comes with a blank template, so you can engineer your own robot from scratch. Build a crew of 5. Mix and match their parts. Invent new ones. It's your factory, so build your team.
Assembly successful. Team status active.